Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming with another great review. This is from ChefWave.com, mychefwave.com. And, if you're ever in a position where you want to take and, drink like vegan type milk, or you want milk because that's not real milk because you're lactose intolerant, or maybe just like having different types of milk that you have around. Maybe they might be more healthy for you. A lot of people do love almond milk. So anyway, ChefWave has made the Milkmade non-dairy milk maker. This has got 6 plant-based programs that are built into it, and what's really cool that I love about it especially is the auto clean. As soon as it makes a thing of almond milk or whatever the case may be, it basically starts auto cleaning itself. So it's great that way. This will do 6 different presets for almond, soy, cashew, oat, macadamia, and coconut. And you just use just a little bit, like sometimes just a teaspoon or 2 or more, depending upon how you want to do it. Depending upon, of course, the nut you're using, then you just put it in, and it turns it into milk and then cleans itself. It is freaking awesome. You can even customize flavors using a bit of vanilla or chocolate. There's no prep work, no need to pre-soak the nuts, no need for nut milk bag, plus the machine automatically self-cleans at the end. It's pretty darn awesome, and it looks good too. So this is a beautiful device you can have sitting on your counter that should complement it. It's definitely nice looking in the way it works, and I really love the brilliance they put into it, the thought they put in it. It's got a touch screen at the top of it, and it's just way you go. You can't ask for much better than that, and simple of use, and the self-clean. You don't have to even deal with it. Comes with a 1-year warranty with ChefWave, and weighs about 11.7 pounds. Anyway, check it out. It's the Milkmade non-dairy milk maker from mychefwave.com. Highly recommend the product. Definitely check it out.